आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है। आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है। वक्त, टाइम, माइंड गेम 5। जिंदगी में, in life, what is essential at stock market while trading, before trading and after trading, is understanding the essence of time, the essence of time frame while the exchange is on, and actual executions on the trade. I'm putting my graph in this video, Nifty graph and the Bank Nifty graph, as it has oscillated between the levels, eating away the call and puts by the option writers, such that they have maintained the bands and tried to control the moves on the either of the extremes and holding the Nifty and Bank Nifty above the level, but restricting itself below the level. It's like playing between the wickets, trading between the wickets, trading between the levels. So that's the game. Once again, I restrict our talk to cricket playground as if it's a trading floor. Now on what happens elsewhere in the numbers, now on what happens across the countries in the world, now on how the flow extends or contracts or expands depending on the dollar index movements, how the currency war accentuates and how exactly it takes a shape. Everything is uncertain, and as uncertainty is the core barometer of the stock exchanges as well as the commodity market as well as any asset class where the trading is involved. And that uncertainty alone gives you an opportunity to earn. Uncertainty directly goes with the risk, and that risk is inherent in any trading activities, or it is inherent on any playgrounds where the outcome is uncertain. Uncertainty is with respect to the resources, uncertainty is with respect to the game, uncertainty is with respect to the outcome. So believe in yourself, learn to use the resources available and the constraints associated with it, and try to use the principle of now. जो भी एक पल है यही एक पल है, and the principle of now, philosophically and or otherwise, is to be used and create a mindset, a game, a mind game, to regularize an outcome with a probability conditions, statistically with 1 or 2 sigma limits above and below the mean, and extending it, controlling the statistically an outcome with the data, so much so that every day the structure has become complex whereas an outcome is simple, as if the question paper is too long because of the conditional probabilities and every nook and corner of the game. But an outcome is simple because it's either its market is going up or coming down. And in a market, few stocks are going up and few are coming down and few are oscillating. And in that too, few stocks in an industry or few stocks of a group moves in one direction and others in the other direction. That's a game. The structure is simple, but the correspondence and the associates that are being formed as a part of the structure are complex. Our job is to make it simple with a mindset, with a mind game. Because no matter how the structure is, ultimately the winning stroke can be played in, the winning trade can be seen on the trading platform only when you trade now. So believe in the power of now. That's a mind game. Fine. Due to the very essence of uncertainty and risk, the volatility is at the core of trading values, and that volatility alone decides the winning strokes depending on how you use it to trade in the given time frame, that's now. Understand one fact very well: fundamentals or technicals are, whether you are aware of or you are not aware of, ultimately it's a stroke played by you on the cricket ground that defines whether you are going to be a Sachin Tendulkar, or that defines whether you are going to be Lily Thompson, or whether you are going to be Kapil Dev, or you are going to be the best wicket keeper Dhoni, or you are going to be the best player on the, or the best fielder on the ground. All these things are ultimately defining the strength. What I'm trying to say is, it's not the fundamentals that defines the price movements. It's not the price movements that brings the fundamentals. It is the essence of the core strength that is being developed over a period of time by executions at the time interval that's now, in the present tense, and not to use past tense or future tense. Whatever you were, whatever you are going to be, has no relevance when you execute now. It's a mind game. Any company that moves up or comes down at stock market between the price bands defines and brings an outcome that's built as a fundamental. And fundamentals are nothing but the parameters that promoter and its functional ingredients, constraints has been put to use such that it has been able to bring in proper product mix of all the resources available to them and make the best use out of it to increase the bottom line by optimizing the resources and optimizing the profit and loss structure. And people who read fundamentals always reads history, and people who trade on technicals. 2. Always reads history. But there are few, like option writers, who create an history, who write an history, where others just participate as followers. I know this Mind Game 5 is going to be tough for you and you will have to listen to it few more times again and again to understand it. But when we are at the level 5 of Mind Game, you must understand this basic structure of the market, of the price movements, of the fundamentals, of the technicals, and of the executions between the bands in the present tense, that's now. Mind game is nothing but using our mind with all its alpha, beta, and gamma. Alpha is the original creativity, beta is the risk taking ability, that's a temperament, and gamma is nothing but the all the ingredients that are beyond your control and controlling it with respect to time, which is always decay. So far so good, it's an option market. Stock market is very simple when you know that it is difficult to understand the complexity of it. No matter how complex the structure is, the easiest way to understand the market is to understand the mindset of a cricketer or the mindset of a person who keeps trading. We have to become a child to execute with a maturity of a teenager and the energy level of a person who has crossed 30. So all these things comes together along with the smartness of those who have crossed 50. And the entire product mix and proper mix eventually has to bow down into a mindset. And that mindset is simple. If you like the stock, you like the stock at every price within the given time frame of now on a trading floor. If you don't like the stock, you don't like the stock, no matter whether it's down or up. So a decision to enter the market with respect to the stock or with respect to the indexes at the given time frames is the essence to be there in a mindset and be there on the trading floor, on the crease, to play the strokes and win the game before you lose. अनजाने सायों का राहों में डेरा है, अनदेखी बाहों ने हमको तो घेरा है, ये पल उजाला है बाकी अंधेरा है, ये पल गंवाना ना ये पल ही तेरा है, जीने वाले यही वक्त है पूरी कर ले आरज़ू, आगे भी जाने न तू पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है यही एक पल है आगे भी जाने न तू. Believe in your own conscious. आगे भी जाने न तू पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है पूरी कर ले आरज़ू, आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू. Whether you are a trader or an investor, with respect to different time frames, it is essential that you define your destination with respect to your entry and origin with the given time frame and stop losses and the allocations of funds, and execute now between the bands for the given target and exit as and when the target comes if you are a trader, or as and when the time expires even if you are a trader, with respect to different time frames that had been defined while drawing and drafting the trade setup. And even if you are an investor, the moment you get your return that was anticipated, it is necessary to evaluate the next move while the exchange is on for a period, and or define either to reshuffle or restructure your portfolio. Of course, considering the long-term, short-term capital gain that is required to be paid to the central revenue exchequer as tax. Everything said and done, it's a mindset, and mindset alone defines your success or failure. And it's a psychology of trading and psychology of investments. Everything else that is being written by the experts and everything else that is being explained by all the successful people had only one thing, and that was a mindset as a trader or as an investor, and everything else they have learned during the journey. What we do and what we learn is in the journey, and the journey is the life. And no one knows everything at the origin of the beginning of the journey. It is the journey of writing a book or writing a successful story. It is written between the pages over a period of time, and while writing, we try to remember and recollect the principles followed, the thought process, and how we did it. Only after moving from A to B, one can surely say these were the steps that were followed during the journey and not before. So, it is not learning that will make you rich, it is not knowing that will make you rich, it is not your association with good people and the intelligent people that will make you rich. It is your own mindset which is inherent to you and which has to be defined, which has to be clearly defined with respect to your conscious mind and subconscious mind, and evolved over a period of time continuously with a disciplined approach on executions, and your execution style and skill alone will define the excellence, the entry exit, and eventually the end result of profit and or loss, whatever. But one has to be consciously committed with a vision to make things happen while the exchange is on, and to execute now in this moment. Thank you very much for being with me in the journey. Mindset 5. इस पल के जलवों ने महफिल सजाई है, इस पल की गर्मी ने धड़कन उभारी है, इस पल के होने से दुनिया हमारी है, इस पल को देखो तो सदियों पे भारी है, जीने वाले सोच ले यही एक पल है, पूरी कर ले आरज़ू, आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है, आगे भी जाने न तू। ला 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 ला, 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 ला 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 ला। इस पल के साए में अपना ठिकाना है, इस पल के आगे भी हर से फसाना। कल किसने देखा है, कल किसने जाना है, इस पल से पाएगा जो तुझको पाना है। जीने वाले सोच ले, यही एक वक्त है, पूरी कर ले आरज़ू, आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही एक वक्त है, पूरी कर ले आरज़ू। जो भी है बस यही एक वक्त है, पूरी कर ले आरज़ू। जीने वाले